How to troubleshoot battery fault in spite of a healthy battery in Esergy T300.
Log on to the web server. The system page in the web server is showing a battery fault warning. Likewise, the battery fault LED on the HU250 is on and red, indicating a battery fault. A battery fault is being indicated in spite of a healthy battery whose health can be confirmed by measuring the output voltage. The battery voltage is 13.4 volts and indicates a healthy battery. Step 1. Note down test AC internal maximal resistance value in PS50 subview. In the system page, go to the PS50 subview. Note down the resistance value measured and displayed on the battery symbol. Step 2. Edit test AC internal maximal resistance value. Under PS01 settings, go to the battery settings section. Edit test AC internal maximal resistance value. Set the value to at least twice the resistance value measured on the system page. Step 3. Execute battery test command. In the commands section, search for the battery execute test command and issue an on command to execute battery test. Now the system page indicates a healthy battery.